Hi guys, so today I will be talking about Ice Mountain 100% natural spring water, and this is just pure quality Ice Mountain brand. This is the tiny bottle, so this is like, if you guys can see it compared to my hand, this is just the 8 fluid ounces, 237 milliliter, and then if you turn it over it says fits in your bag, 8 ounces single. And I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So it has the twist off cap. I'm sorry guys, my nails look super ugly, but this is just has the twist off cap, and then going down it just has like the little teeny weeny label that goes across the tiny bottle. Okay, so I just want to make this disclaimer in the beginning of this video. I know this is water, guys, but I'm sorry if I sound so passionate about water, but I honestly have like my own personal beliefs when it comes to water. I really didn't start drinking like water like I should be drinking it, or like anybody should be drinking it, until I honestly got to college, and I didn't really realize how good it was for your body. But when I started like really like drinking water, and in high school I drank water like after I played sports. It wasn't really like I need to get my certain amount of cups in a day, and now that's how I am. Like it's like I have to drink a certain amount of cups of water. But I'm a firm believer that all water does not taste the same, and whenever people get on the water topic, I just get very passionate about it, because it's just something that I just feel like, okay, if I'm going to drink water, it has to be a certain type of water. And that is why I really purchased Ice Mountain. And I hear like a lot of people have their different opinions about Ice Mountain, but this is one of my favorite waters. So going back to my story about like me not drinking water, when I got in college, that's when I really started realizing that like just life was taking a toll on my body and stuff, and how important it was to keep yourself hydrated, and also just to eat right and stuff like that. And so I used to carry around a water bottle, which I would like just get out of the water fountains at my college, but I realized that that was making me really sick. So then I was just like, you know what, like I'm just gonna have to suck it up and purchase water. So this is not me throwing shade at any other waters. I just prefer Ice Mountain because, like it says, it's pure quality, but it doesn't only say that on the label. I honestly do believe that in my heart of hearts. Honestly, just always been a better alternative for me. But I started off with Aquafina, and for anybody who doesn't know, like Aquafina is a very expensive water in my opinion, and I don't think the quality is bad, but I just prefer Ice Mountain just because I feel like this water tastes so much better to me. And after Aquafina, my friend was like, you know what, you should try Ice Mountain. And so I just started buying Ice Mountain. It's just been what I've been drinking since then, and that was like 4 years ago. So this has been like my go-to water. The thing that I appreciate, and I'm pretty sure a lot of water brands have the 8-ounce bottle, but the thing that I appreciate about these 8-ounce bottles is that even though they're so tiny, where I work, it's like I have a long commute, so you don't want to, this is in my personal opinion, but I don't like chugging around like either a big full bottle of water, or like I just don't like my bag is already heavy, so it's just difficult for me to like carry something bulky and heavy. And the thing that I appreciate about these is like I took one huge pack of these to work, and they fit in a mini fridge. Carrying these around with me when I'm walking around the office. I love carrying these around with me when I'm like going to places. And then for those of you guys who aren't avid like water drinkers, this is like such a good water bottle for any people like that too, because I'm the type of person, if I see a full water bottle and it's not finished and I purchased it and you don't drink the whole water bottle, I get upset, and like maybe that's like one of my biggest pet peeves. So like this is what I like to call not a full commitment water bottle. So I know a lot of people can't commit themselves to drinking a full bottle of water, which is fine, but this is what I like to call not a full commitment. It's like, okay, you get as much as you think you're gonna drink, and then if you do get thirsty again, then it's like you can go get another 8-ounce bottle. But to see a full water bottle not be drinking is like one of my biggest pet peeves. So that's also why I like these too. I have a niece, and she literally will take a sip out of a water bottle and leave it, and I'm like, girl, please pick that back up, or like just, but she loves these little things. And also too, guys, these are really good for kids to put in their lunches. I've seen a lot of parents that of the students that I teach dance to, the little girls will come with these little tiny water bottles, and I also keep some with me too, just in case people don't bring water. And like I said, this is not a full commitment water bottle. This is just like something slight that will literally, if you're thirsty more, you can just get another bottle, but if you don't finish drinking it, it wasn't really like that big of a deal. And so I just want to show you guys it like upright, and it tells you like where it comes from, like the sources and everything like that. And these are recycle friendly, guys, too. That's what I love about these water bottles. I'm a huge stickler on recycling, so these are also recycle friendly. And like I said before, guys, Ice Mountain is just like one of my favorite brands of water. It just tastes more pure to me, and in some waters I can taste the lead. I really don't taste anything in this water. It just tastes really, really clean to me. And I love these 8-ounce bottles. Like I've stated multiple times before, it is just honestly like my go-to like water. I love this water. I suggest it. It's not expensive, very convenient. And yeah, this is just the Ice Mountain 100% natural spring water.